everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today we'll be making churro, which is basically a Spain dish, and it is literally kind of a sweet snack consisting of a stripe of fried dough dusted with sugar or cinnamon. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So here I have taken 160 gram of maida and 1 cup of water, which is of 250 ml. And now I'll add the water into the saucepan and let the water heat. And here I have taken 2 cubes of unsalted butter. In this recipe you're going to use only unsalted butter, not salted butter. Now add the butter into the saucepan and let water and butter combine each other. So here I have taken 60 gram of sugar. You can even use powdered or caster sugar also. Now add the sugar into the saucepan. Now mix the butter, sugar and the water very well. And then add a pinch of salt so that the sugar and all the things balance each other. And now at this stage the water is boiling. Now add the maida into it. And stir it very well. You have to stir it continuously so that the maida and other ingredients doesn't make any lumps. So after stirring it very well, add 1 cube of unsalted butter and some 3 to 4 drops of vanilla extract. Now mix everything together. Now as you can see here, it has become a soft dough. And now I'll transfer it into a bowl. So now here I have taken 1 egg and I'll add this egg into this mixture and mix it very well and make a soft dough, as you can see right now. And I'll add this mixture into this piping bag and add the star nozzle. So now for frying, I'll heat the oil into the saucepan. After the oil gets heated, and now I'll pipe and cut them into the pieces, as you can see that how I am doing. Now turn the other side, let the both sides fry very well. It have to be like golden brown in color. Now as you can see that I have fried all the batches. It's literally looking so pretty. And now here I have taken powdered sugar and some caster sugar. Most of the people add the cinnamon powder also, but we are not gonna add in this. So now I'll take a churros and dip this into the powdered sugar so that it coated very well. So yeah guys, as you can see I have dipped all of them and it's looking so delicious. Now enjoy it with a chocolate sauce and it looks so yummy. You all must try this recipe because it's so delicious and so yummy and it's so simple to prepare. It's literally so soft and crunchy to eat. If you are not having chocolate sauce, you can even eat it with Hershey's syrup, or you can melt the chocolate compound and eat with that. If not, you can even make homemade chocolate too. However, it will be so delicious guys. And that's it for the day. Hope you all enjoyed seeing this video. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.